Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on the hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I am doing these Minnie Mouse inspired full covered press on nails, and I will be starting doing regular base coat on the pinky and also the pointy finger, because the polish that I will use you will see in a few minutes. The remaining nails will be a gel base coat, which will be the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger. And this is the orally that I'll be using on the pointy finger and the pinky. And it's I like this brand of orally because it's supposed to be a quick dry, and it's two process, which is polish and the top coat. So I will be using black for the ring finger, but I will also make that one a matte, and then a white for the thumb and the middle finger. The reason why, because I'll be using decals, and decals show up so much better with a white background. The trick to decal is if you want the color of the nail to be a different color, that's fine, but wherever you put in the decal, just cover that part with white. It's easier if you have a square or a complete circle or a complete shape of the decal, but if you have jagged edges. So this is the top coat of the Epic that goes with the Epic lacquer. So it's I only put the base coat on so that it's a little bit thicker. Since it's a press-on nail, I'm not building anything to make the nail a bit thicker. So you have the color and the top coat for the Epic, and that's 2 steps. So I'm just using regular top coat gel, not regular, but top coat gel, no specific brand that I'm using. And for that, that's my matte Madame Glam matte that I'm using on the black. I have another matte that's not a no name, but I wanted to try out this Madame Glam matte to see how it works, and I wasn't disappointed at all. So I'm deciding what I want to do for my next nail video, because I love like decals and stamping, but I might just stick to regular ombre neck. So I'm using my resin glue to adhere the Minnie Mouse or the rhinestone, and actually it's a Mickey Mouse rhinestone, but we're gonna call that Minnie Mouse rhinestone. And I like putting my charms on with gel, builder gel, because it, you know, it's just cured and it stays where with the resin. I have to spray it and let it stick, but it does last, supposed to last a lot longer. I think it's just the how you see, if I held it there and I cured it, would have stayed. I was playing with it for a while in order to get it to stay, and I had to eventually spray the resin to make it dry faster. So I'm just cleaning everything off, and I will put the dots with the little dotting tool right there for the pointy finger, and that's how I'll be doing the dots for that. Those tools are so handy, guys. And now I'll be sealing, actually I'm only putting a layer of top coat on the white, so that when I put the decal on, I can play with it a little bit and then cure it into place. And so I'm just getting ready with my decals. So my decals I make myself. It's a special decal paper for like plates and candles, and I said, hey, let me try it for nails. And so you print on the paper, you let it sit for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes so the ink dries. Then you spray with the lacquer and adhesive, and let that sit for 24 hours. Then that seals the ink so that it doesn't bleed when you are putting on your decal. So I made these myself, and just, you know, since it's still kind of wet, it's not dry yet, you can move it around, but try not to move it around too much if you don't have to. And if you can, try and, you know, tap the water out of it before you put it on the nail. But this one was kind of hard, so I had to kind of like tap it, like squeeze out the water, like with the little rubber tool, and like and then tap it like I did, and see how it moved. So now that is, I already cured it, and now I'm going to seal it in with the top coat. So when I take these off the little stand, you sometimes, you know, the gel ooze a little bit. I'm using my orally right there to put on the rhinestone, and a trick to it again is to rough up the nail and then put on your gel polish, put it on, and then go around it again. Put on your rhinestone and go around again with the gel, builder gel. Yeah, so what I normally do with the rhinestones or different things like that is just, again, make sure your surface is rough, is rough before you put anything on. So anyways, I enjoy doing these nails, and I am going to be hopefully doing an ombre today. I'm not sure, I'm still deciding for tomorrow's video. I'm still deciding on that one, but hope you like it, you guys. I really love how these came out. They will be on my Instagram page, which is Instagram at my life on a hill. And I mean, yeah, my life on a hill, and of course this is my YouTube channel, my life on a hill. So please don't forget to subscribe and share, and hope this helped. And if you're interested in ordering anything, just go ahead and hit me up on my life on a hill on my Instagram page, so you could go follow me there. That's free, and even here is free too, you guys, but when you watch You Know What, we get paid that way. So these were gorgeous. I love them, and I can't wait to, you know, see how everybody else like them. So if you like them, leave a comment below and let me know. The person who comments on this video, the first person, I'll do a shout out on the next video. So thanks again for joining me in my life on a hill. Please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get my you were first to get my videos, and so I could do a shout out on the next video and call you out for being an awesome person, for supporting me. So if you have a design, don't hesitate to go on my Instagram page and leave me there, and leave me a message, and I will try and make sure that that is up and above. If you want to support my patreon.com, but right there is a patreon.com/nailroomtalk. Bye, you guys. Take care. Be safe.